Alright, well, they're in the home paddock now, and little Rosewood is trying his hardest. And Raindrops is a kicker, so we don't have many, but she kicks. And the weather, that's Avatar. We thought it'd be nice to have an extra one in the yard just to balance things out a bit. The good thing about Rosewood is just he's little, like Royal Prince is huge and can just get on top, so he's not too threatening. Like, it's no real problem for Raindrops to stay standing up. She doesn't feel real threatened by him, and hopefully she might sort of teach him. The idea is to get them down. Once they cush down on the ground, they're saying, yeah, I'll do it, I'm ready for you. But until she gets down, she's not real interested. Hey Avatar, you okay? Hey Raindrops. Getting to know each other, it's good. Oh, she's got a wicked kick. Alright, well, we'll let you know how it all goes. Good luck, Rosewood.